Morning. I'm still in the process of waking up. If I'm being honest, I got the sleepy eyes this morning. I slept pretty good last night, but I don't know, some mornings are just harder to wake up than the others. I just made some chai tea. This morning, I'm gonna get some work done. Seth is at training. So today I think we're gonna go get our wedding bands done today, or just like pick out the ones that we like. Seth's debating if he wants to do silver or gold. I don't know what I really want. I've been wearing this one just like as a trial run to see if I like it, because I think I want something similar to that, but I'm not sure because I haven't tried it on any other ones, so I'm excited to go try it. I don't know if I should do like a solid or what. I think the thick looks really nice too. I leave in a week. Oh my gosh, it is a week. I leave in a week to go back to America. My sister's getting married and I have a bunch of stuff to do for my own wedding, but it is so sad because I've been here for almost 5 months and the thought of leaving just kills me. But I think we're gonna do that today, probably the gym. And then I think this morning we're gonna go do our Bible study and get coffee somewhere. And then later tonight, maybe go out for dinner somewhere. Because we only have a couple more nights left and it's so sad to even think. Before bed every night, I'm just like, oh, I don't want to go to bed because I know it's another day done. And yeah, it's just hard. Long distance sucks, and it's like, sure, it's long distance, but you also have to think. In my situation, like, it's a massive time difference too. Like when he's waking up, I'm going to bed and vice versa. 16 hours ahead here in Australia. So it just makes communicating really hard, and just, you're pretty much the furthest away, I'd say, America to Australia, and I'm on the other side. Oh gosh, I don't even want to think about it. Like just talking about it right now, it's like setting in. But yeah, so now I think I'm just gonna get some work done. But kind of been procrastinating that a little bit. So I'm gonna get some work done. I might do some laundry. Yeah, just little household chores. I need to unload the dishwasher, just simple things like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go get all that done. That's bigger than my face.
Not the best if you guys could stay, just because we are going to be leaving early on the Sunday. But yeah, I mean, we're definitely going to be back up in Newing next, and we can definitely lock something in. Seth
and I are getting ready to go to dinner. He's actually at the gym. I was like, I forfeit, I can't. I just don't know what to wear. Like, I'm liking this, but I'm not. I feel like a mommy. But then I was thinking about wearing a dress with, ooh, that lighting's bad. A dress with a black jacket, but I don't know. I'm gonna go finish my makeup because I'm kind of in a time crunch. I just laid in bed and lollygagged, so. I like it. It's so comfy too, so that's like the main reason. But yeah, I don't know what shoes, because I know why I'm wearing these. Maybe because I'll bring that black bag. Let's see. Okay. My fave purse, this with black shoes. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so funny. I look like a little pageant girl. I can't even see. Okay, good enough, I think. But this top is so cute, and you know it's actually from, it's from Shein. These are from H&M. I don't know where my jewelry's from, TBH. Permanent, other jewelry. But yeah, that's that. We're going to do the wedding bands before dinner because it's on the way. But yeah, I don't know. I'll be excited to see which ones I like, actually, because I always have an idea in my head and then it always changes when I get there, so. Peanut butter? Too light. We're at a buffet. We're like, seriously, I was like, I need a vlog and I completely forgot because I got distracted by all the food. There's so many options. I'm like, what did you get, Kayla?
Okay, you know this. I got pasta and potato bake and then noodle and rice. But I don't know if I want to eat this now. But
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, I got this massive bowl of pasta. Don't know.
I don't want to waste it. And we got Coke Zero.
I know, and Coke Zero, duh. I need to show you guys all the dessert though. I'll just show you the buffet.
We're going to eat like 20 plates of dessert.
I'm like, how many plates of food can we eat?
20.
Like, I was just straight up looking in the camera. I'm like, oh? What do you feel like? Do you want dessert or do you want more salty?
I get like roasted potato.
Ew, what is that actually?
I might get pumpkin.
You like pumpkin?
And then dessert. And then we have the game.
And they're gonna win because they won the last game.
I have slushies.
Oh, look. What?
No way.
This is like Kayla and I's
very
heaven. Waffles?
Waffles. I'm getting waffles.
Oh my gosh, Kayla. Shut up. Yeah, get a plate. It's so windy. And we look bald.
We look gold.
That's okay though. They're winning. Can't even see. Oops. Your nails look so good. Oh.
They're ring there.
The little babies.
It's so cute.
Oh.
Smell it?
It's just water, isn't it?
Then why do you buy it?
Because it's antifreeze, I think, maybe? I actually don't know.
Ah.
Yes.
Well, you did.
It looks like neon Kool-Aid.
Ooh, juice. I love juice.
Alright. Should be good.
Nope.
I have been so bad at videoing. So bad. So I apologize. Guess where we are going tonight? The Greek place. Our favorite. So, gonna get a halloumi wrap again. Maybe some falafels. My mouth is watering thinking about it. We just went to the gym. I don't know if this is just a me thing either. After I work out, I am like craving bad food. Like I never crave a salad or anything. I don't know. I'm like so hungry. I just want like pizza, burgers, French fries. Like it's so annoying. But that's okay because, you know, it balances out if you just worked out. I literally was telling Seth that I feel like I work out so I can eat food. And I don't think that's a bad thing. Working out so I can eat yummy food because I'm such a foodie. Like I look forward to food. I look forward to good food. I don't know. I enjoy it. It's the simple things in life. Look how pretty the sky looks. Aww. Pink. I'm obsessed. That's my favorite kind of color sky. Pink. Doesn't look that pink on the screen. Push.
Unbelievable.
There's no place to set this up. The car is in there and it looks crazy. Have you even ever had this in your life?
Yeah, I used to have cocoa all the time.
No, but like Coke Zero.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go. Love that I feel, nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the rain, so just chill. Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go.
I just filmed a whole video and it wasn't even filming. But I'm at the beach. Seth's at work. I'm just getting some sun. It's kind of late in the day, but it's nice just to chill on the beach. I'm kind of in the shade over here. My little stuff. The airport is over there, so I'm like watching the airplanes come in and land. It's crazy. And then I don't know if you can see, but the city's like all over there. And there's a lot of paragliders. But it's so nice out. The weather is like perfect temperature. Enjoy my time. I just love getting the fresh air.